Hi guys, this is Dean Mustang, and today I'm going to pick up 6 packs of the new pack, Lightning Overdrive. Apologies if this once right. Get two more. There we are, that's better. So yeah, I managed to pick up 6 packs from a local game store. So let's get on with it. I'm super excited because I want the new plant support, also I want the new Utopia support, so let's see what we get. Ooh. Okay, so we got XL Interest. Okay, so we got Yummy One, I think. Okay, Scrap Raptor, Judge of the Ice Barrier, Auroch Spirit. Okay, I'm happy still. Battle Royal Shoot, Armory Glider, Warlock Generation, Judgment of the Blinded. Okay. I'm not interested in the Warlock stuff or any other stuff, so any high rarities I get, it's just basically trade bait at this time. Okay. Trying to get the best light in as I can. Apologies. So we got Starry Night Soul. Yeah, I'll let you say that one. Spriggan Brothers. World Soul Carbon. And we're going to exceed. Which one we got? L. Spriggan Mary Baker. Okay, not the one I was after. But like I say, more trade bait. So, Warlock Mammoth. Warlock Big Blow. Amaze Attraction Rapid Racing. Boo Boo Game. So yeah. So 2 supers so far. Come on, can we have an ultra? Or secret? Come on. Yeah, so we got him. Unless I say Guardian Sphinx, because I can't say that last minute. Sky Squirts. Spriggan Booty. And that is our Super Rare again. Expeditor. I got to pronounce that right. Okay. I Meet You. That's how I Meet You. But Uncle Binky. And that's. And yeah. King Zero Macro. Okay. Please not be all supers. That would be a real downer. Come on. At least one ultra rare. I don't care if it's one off my list or one not on my list. And whoever's jinxing me in the comments, please stop it. Okay. So the Pegasus looking one. Rock Arc. Amazing Special Show. S-Force Dog Tag. And okay, we finally got an ultra. I'm trying to get the light in here. There we are. It's not easy to want me to get this in the light, but it's White Knight Dogmatica Spellcaster Ritual. Okay. So basically, it's for the, I think it's the Dogma deck. So I said I wanted an ultra rare, and I got an ultra rare. So hopefully that's worth something. Screams that they branded. We saw seen that one. We saw that one. Terrors of the Underroot. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Now we've done that. Can we get a secret? Come on. Be kind to us. Give us a secret. Okay, some of these cards really are dark. World, Soul, Carbon, CW, Pegasus, Twin Saber. Words out. Yes, thank you. Yeah, I'm not even gonna say that. Pale side, something cover. Amazing, Abunda, okay, so there's like a new theme deck. Oh, come on. No, another reprint. Expendable Dire. No, that's basically Diographer. As a shoot. 1x1. Axel Alliance. And Warlock Generation. Okay. I've gone through 6 packs. Hold on. 1, 2. Yeah, 6 packs. Can we end with a secret? Or an ultra? Okay, anything other than a secret. Come on. I know from the facts funny, it's because the brothers take. Okay. Smart Raptor. Judge of the Ice Barrier. Yeah, okay, whatever that says. Amazing special show and Rank Up Magic XL Force. I can't moan because I need another one of those. Warlock Big Blue. I challenge you or I challenge you. That one. So yeah. Slightly annoying, slightly not. So we managed to pull these. See if I can move. So yeah, we've got Warlock. That's Exceed, 2 Dyers, a Ritual Monster, and a Exceed one. Oh. Yeah, so not bad, not real. It's one of the downsides now of all packs containing a super instead of rare. So I can't really moan because being just a rare was really annoying back in the day when I used to play proper. So yeah, hope you liked this video. Like, comment and subscribe. And as always, this is Demon Must Die signing out. Bye.